Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Gary and in this video we'll explore the concept of WordPress outsourcing, its benefits, costs and how to choose the right partner for your business. So let's dive in and discover how outsourcing your WordPress needs can revolutionize the way you navigate the online world. I'm sure you would agree that in today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for businesses of all sizes. One of the most popular platforms for building websites is, of course, WordPress. However, managing a WordPress site can be time-consuming and complex, especially for business owners who have limited technical expertise. And that's where WordPress outsourcing comes in. By partnering with experienced professionals, businesses can offload the technical aspects of WordPress management and focus on what they do best, that is, running their businesses. But what exactly is WordPress outsourcing and how can it benefit your business? Let's take a closer look. WordPress outsourcing involves hiring external experts or agencies to handle various tasks related to WordPress website management. These tasks can include website design, development, maintenance, security, and of course, content updates. Outsourcing these tasks allows businesses to leverage the expertise of professionals who specialize in WordPress, ensuring that their website is secure, up to date, and optimized for performance. There are several benefits to outsourcing WordPress tasks. Firstly, expertise and experience. Outsourcing provides access to a team of experienced professionals who are well versed in WordPress. This expertise can result in a higher quality website and improved user experience. Secondly, outsourcing WordPress tasks frees up valuable time for business owners and employees to focus on core business activities. Additionally, outsourcing can be more cost-effective than hiring full-time staff or trying to manage WordPress internally. Thirdly, outsourcing offers scalability, allowing businesses to easily scale their website management efforts up or down depending upon their needs. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for businesses experiencing growth or seasonal fluctuations in demand. Now, let's get to the commonly asked question. How much does it cost to outsource WordPress requirements? Well, the cost of WordPress outsourcing can vary depending upon the scope of work and the expertise of the outsourcing partner. Typically, outsourcing companies offer various pricing models, including hourly rates, project-based pricing, and retainer agreements. Hourly rates can range from $50 to $150 per hour, depending on the skill level of the developers and the complexity of the task. Project-based pricing may vary significantly depending on the size and complexity of the project, ranging from a few $100s to several $1,000s. Retainer agreements are another common pricing model where businesses pay a fixed monthly fee for ongoing WordPress support and maintenance services. These fees typically range from $500 to $2,000 per month depending on the level of support required. As you consider outsourcing your WordPress needs, remember to weigh the benefits against the cost, ensuring that the investment aligns with your business goals and budget. And when it comes to meeting your WordPress outsourcing needs, Softtrix stands out as a trusted partner dedicated to delivering exceptional results. With years of experience and a team of seasoned professionals, Softtrix offers a comprehensive suite of services tailored to suit your business requirements. From website design and development to ongoing maintenance, security, and support, Softtrix provides end-to-end solutions that ensure your WordPress site remains optimized, secure, and ahead of the curve. So, why wait? Partner with Softtrix today and unlock the full potential of your WordPress website. Contact us now to learn more about how we can help you achieve your business goals. You can reach out to us through our WhatsApp number or through our website mentioned on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. For more tips and insights on WordPress and website management, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for future updates. Thanks.